Welcome to downtown Weaverville. We have a house to show you. We are the buyer agents with Edwards Realty. This listing was provided by Julia Krupp with George Real Estate Group. Main house has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a second living quarter has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Let's start with the main house. Let's go. This house was built in 1929, was not fully renovated, but has 1,500 square feet. You can choose what to do with it yourself. We are walking into a small living room with the original fireplace, and we have 1 bedroom on the right. The floors are original. It has mini split. And this master bedroom has its own bathroom. Nice size bathroom with a walk-in closet. Let's go see the kitchen. I have a videographer with me, Ekaterina Edwards. She's helping me.
Hello, everybody.
So this kitchen is not updated. It will be your choice what to do with it. You can repaint it, remodel, make maybe granite countertops. Dishwasher is installed, double sink, electric stove, refrigerator. Tanya, what is this?
That's a good question.
I've
It
never
could
seen
be
this before.
a compactor, maybe, or like a trash compactor. It might be a washer or dryer. I don't know. It says tank made, and then it says drain. So I don't know. And then the washer and dryer are in the kitchen.
Let's go see the backyard.
Oh, those are pretty pink ones.
Yep. You can see propane tank and a fenced backyard, which is really good for the dogs.
How big is the lot? Do you remember?
Yes, the lot is almost half an acre.
Very nice for downtown, close to downtown Weaverville.
It's
Off
literally,
North Main Street, yeah.
literally walking distance. It's so private in here.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Let's go back and see second bedroom.
Okay.
There is a parking for 2 cars at least.
And we're back into the dining room slash living room area. I see a table in this section. Love this tile, actually. A tall sink. Oh, very nice shower. Very modern. I love those handles. They're, I would say they're antique. And this is our last
The
bedroom.
windows were changed from the originals, but the woodwork is probably original.
The frame, I like that. The frame being original. There's another mini split. 2 more windows, gives a lot of light. A space for a shelf, and we got a closet. Very nice.
Now let's go see the second living quarter with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. We are on the backyard right now. On the right side we have main house, and on the left side we have 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment. There is a full basement and garage. Let's go see it. Basement я не пойду. Сходите с Татьяной.
Yeah, it's pretty spacious. Look at this. A lot of light. 1 car garage, but looks like it's been converted into a man cave. Guess they might have some parties here, or I don't know, maybe some events. The washer and dryer are over here. And as you can see, the ceiling has been finished up with the sheetrock and plenty of space. I love this ceiling because it gives the light to the basement.
This big area by apartment can be used as a parking lot or a play area. Let's go see what's inside. The porch is big, goes around the corner. There is enough place to put dining table there. Nice size kitchen, everything you need, table, all the appliances, dishwasher, electric stove. Big white sink and a view to the backyard. Here we see electric heater. Kitchen opens up to a living room with a big window. Through the little hallway there is a bathroom on this side. The bedroom is spacious, has 2 big closets. This is the bonus room where the current occupant keeps his musical instruments. It's a small office. Today we saw together a listing in Weaverville, North Carolina. Main house, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an extra apartment, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom on 0.5 acres of land. Both houses has a rental history. The main house was rented for $1,600 for a long time. 1 bedroom apartment is currently rented for $1,000. The contract expires in August. You'll have choice to get your new tenant with a higher price or keep this one. Write in the comments below what you think about these houses, and contact Edwards Realty, Ekaterina or Tatiana, with any questions about this house or any other house. We can be your buyer's agents. See you soon, guys!